see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause I always wanna feel like this, but at some point we miss up, right, sugar? And when we find no one wants to stop, and
Good morning everyone. Today is raining
And thunderstorms.
and thunderstorms.
Like,
Today
that's our
is what?
Mom's birthday.
Mommy's birthday.
We went to go catch some yabbies.
Yabis.
We played.
Nag-greet na sila sa akin kanina doon sa kwarto kasi nandito naman kayo sa
We saw a blue lightning strike.
Yeah. Ang pangit ng weather, guys. Ang pangit. Blessing to, guys. Blessing kasi it's my 40th birthday. So, umuulan siya ng blessings. Walang katao-tao sa
How is that?
lake. And then si Holly nandun sa kapitbahay.
My thumbs are wet.
Lamig. Ay! And si Zachary?
That went for swim.
Yeah, he went for a swim. And nakaligo na siya, ha?
I tried that's coffee.
Did you? What did you say about your gift to your mom?
Oh no, forget about that one.
Oh, you forget. Okay, thank you. What?
Oh, Masyadong.
Yeah. Ima-massage niya ako. For how many minutes or hours?
Not hours.
Oh, it's my birthday.
Yeah, how much sitting there doing nothing?
So how many minutes?
15.
15 only?
That's how much I do like Dad.
Well, that's normal day for that. It's my special day today.
I'm not doing it for an hour. I like nothing.
Alright, thank you for that.
But I'm doing it for 15.
Okay. How about you, Kuya?
No.
What?
No, you're going on a jet ski.
Ah, jet ski daw. Ang regalo nila ni Daddy sa akin. Probably. It's raining, Kuya. Look at the weather.
Dad said he's still gonna put it in after
After our...
and lightning go away.
Okay. I-charge ko yung battery. Nagpa-flashing na siya, guys. Hi! Happy birthday, everyone!
Someone's running!
Sabi ni Ethan, happy birthday, Lola!
Lola na raw ang brain ko kasi lagi ako nakakalimot.
Forgetful na yarn.
Forgetfulness na tayo. Baba, it's my birthday. Morning. Good morning. Bango naman dito. Kain na. Wow, sarap. Nag-isa ka, Day? Mag-isa kang sardinas? Thank you. Yes, yan handa natin sa aking birthday. First time na nag-umulan, sabi ko, it's a blessing. First time din, summer talaga. Di ba first time natin ito talaga nagkataon? Kasi pang 3 years na tayo nag-spend ng birthday ko dito. Ngayon lang talaga umulan. Blessing! Meron tayong eggs, bacon, si Nolsi ang nagluto. And then si Lai mag... Ay, wow, nag-fruit salad sila. O, diba? Bonggay. Kain na kami, guys. Nagluto sila ng ginisang sardinas and may pa-hotdog sa aking birthday breakfast. Thanks, Lai. We miss Simply Race here.
Kamention niya lang din, Gary.
Diba?
What do you want, Polly? Ano? Rice ba? Yan na lang. Ito na.
Okay. Subukan na lang kita, Baba. I will feed you, Baba.
No.
Yes, baby. I'll feed you, okay?
Ayun na, bigyan mo siya na lang.
Hindi, feed ko na lang siya kasi malansa ba.
Dito ka muna.
Hindi na.
Dito ka na.
Okay, brush up na tayo.
Okay rin.
Kanina to.
Sa'yo. Sa'yo yan.
Dahil si ako.
Ang maraming rice ko.
what you hiding from me? What you holding back? I think I saw you with another.
Guys, nakaligo na ako nakapag-blower na tayo. Nakabihis na rin ako. Pinapili ko pala si sa susuotin ko today. May dalawa kasi akong dala. Yung isa, medyo mahaba. Ito yung pinili niya. Yung medyo, ayan, maiksi. Ano ba? Midi. Ayan. So, yan yung ating suot for lunch. So, ngayon, kapag skincare na rin tayo, ito ulit yung ginamit ko. Kinonix na toner. Then, ito yung ating, yes, you do. People, what do you think of Zach? Kasi pareho yung damit nila ni TJ. Ayaw niyang parehas sila. Ibinili ko yun para sa Christmas party namin. Hindi naman yun ang nasuot. Sayang naman kung hindi nila susuot. Sabi ko ngayon na lang birthday ko. So ngayon, nakapagkilay na rin tayo. Kilay is life. Inuna ko talaga yung kilay, guys. Hi, Papa!
Mama, are you wearing your dress?
No, not your dress, Baba. Just like that one. Tomorrow you can wear that one. Nasaan yung aking? Ito ang gamitin ko ngayon. Yung ST na ratan. Ratan ata to. Yes, ratan yung shade niya. Okay, ano muna tayo, guys? Mag-ayos. Hi, Baba! Andito na si Veronica. Nakadress din si Veronica. Ayan. Hi, Baba! Say hi! Si Holly naka-crop top. Ayan si... Tawag ni Holly si... ni Holly. Si Veronica. Mamaya ko na ipakita sa inyo si Holly. Mag-ayos na tayo kasi si Johnny Boy. Mamadali na naman ako niyan. Yeah. What?
Remove this.
Where's the other one? It's in your suitcase. You know the purple or the orange one? The orange bag? Tapos na si Sir. Mas maganda dito yung ano, lighting. Kaysa doon sa kabila. Malapit na ako matapos, guys. Mag-blush na lang tayo. Ang gamit ko ay Sunny Space na Ras, ang kanyang shade. Madali lang kasi siyang i-glide sa face. And then yung aking gagamitin na lip tint is yung fixing tint ng Etude House. Yung kanyang shade is Soft Walnut. And kanina, nag-vlog ako sa camera ni Kat. Yun na naman yung nadampot ko.
I want the orange.
Okay, Tatiya.
Daddy, Daddy?
Yeah. Ayan. Pakita ko sa inyo yung dress, guys. Kasi mas linaw dito. Ayan yung dress natin. Inspired siya ng DNG. May packet siya dito. Ito yung nakuha natin sa small box. Yan lang, pinakita ko lang. Ano yung ko to? I-double coat natin yung lipstick.
Rapat.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah, nice. Wow, you look so guwapo. Ang guwapo ni Jen. Guwapo sa suot niya. Yung nabili niya yan nung nag-shopping tayo, pero hindi niyo pa yun mapapanood. Napanood niya na ata. Kasi nga, i-insert ko muna tong latest vlog natin. Ayan, pabango ko na lang. I-mix ko to. Eto, dala ko si Santal 23 and yung ating Jo Malone na Nectarine Blossom and Honey. Mix ko silang dalawa. Mag-create tayo ng sarili nating amoy or scent. Ang sarap ng amoy ni Santal. Di ba? Bango. Okay. Kunin, yung aking slippers. What heels tayo? Yung white. Ginagamit ko to pag nagla-live selling ako. Ito. Ano lang naman? Hindi naman. Sila mga 2 inch. Okay. So, I'm good. Ayun na tayo, guys. Ganyan lang yung buhok. Ito sana mag-ipit. Huwag na lang. Ganyan na lang. Today is I'm 40, guys. Okay na yan, no? Makita ko. Sana makita nyo maayos yung ating outfit for today. Yung buo ba? Guys, ha? Hindi talaga. Dito na lang. So, mess. Ayusin ko lang yung sandals. Okay. Ayun, guys. So, ito yung outfit natin today sa lunch. Hi, Veronica. Nakadress si Veronica. Oh, look. I love your bow, Baba. You're so pretty.
First time. Wow.
First time. Wow. First time ko hindi late. Punta tayo dun sa kabila. Ayan si Johnny Boy, oh. Tinago niya yun. Wow, nice outfit, babe.
We'll get some dials and that servo in return.
Okay. Yes, I'm ready. First time sabi ni Johnny Boy, ha?
I'm super casual.
Wow. Ganda. Ay, wow. Look, smile Lyro. Wow. Naka-short siya. Naiwan ko yung phone dun sa cabin nila. Kat-training namin. Kung pwede ba. Kasi nandun pa naman sila. Pero wala yata silang key. So si Tony, training ni Jan. Tingnan mo naman aking hubby. Wow.
Yeah, pets Chewy.
And the boys.
Mom,
Ayaw nila kasi pareho silang damit. Ha?
Pets Chewy.
Na. Kabi ko kay Jan, bilan niya ako na
What is it?
pads. Yung, alam niya, yung ating monthly. Sabi ni Jan, I'm not going there to get you that. Tapos sabi niya sa, what's that, sa?
What are they?
Is the pads chewy?
Yeah.
Yeah. Tinatanong ko ano yung
Are
pads. No, it's not. It's a mommy thingy.
Anyone coming?
No. Clear.
That's not phone case. Phone color. Mom.
Walang si Jan ang kanyang, you know.
Go get pads. I want to see what they look like. Get us Lolly.
Hindi yan kukuha si Jan ng pads. Sackles na lang.
I want to be the exact same size as that.
I know, I'm so sorry. Noon, lagi silang terno. Yung hindi pa sila mga ganyan edad. Ngayon, malungkot sila kasi pareho sila naka-ano. Pareho shorts and then polo. Sabi ko, after lunch, they can change. One of you can change, okay?
What do you mean after lunch? How are we going to...
After
We're
lunch.
going in the pool.
Yeah, you're gonna go swimming, so you will be
We're
alright.
going on jet ski.
Jet ski? Oh, mag-jet ski. Sana mag-clear up. Ay, ano na, kasi kanina ang lakas ng ulan. Blessing you guys.
Mom, those two are
Yeah?
not... What was this party for?
For Christmas party.
Mom,
Why
didn't we wear it? When they already done swimming. We can
Yeah, you can swim again, Baba. Unlimited swimming. We're here na, guys. Dito tayo pupunta sa 23rd Street.
Taj is already here.
Dito tayo magla-lunch. Hintayin lang natin yung mga kasama natin.
Outside, then they changed us
Okay.
because it was raining.
Raining, yeah. So, outside dapat tayo. Kaso umuulan, so nilipat daw yung table natin sa loob. Hintayin lang natin si Kat, sila nantala sila
How can
dahil
we
nga.
still beat him?
No, because remember I left my phone in in the cabin. So, nandun pa sila. Wala lang kissing. Inakay Tony. Sorry naman, guys. Nandun na si Johnny Boy. Si Tony, tsaka si Lai na lang wala pa. May binili lang daw. May binili. Ang haba ng mesa natin. Ang haba-haba. Gusto na tayo, guys. Pero ito magtanggal ng mask. Si Lai na lang. May belt yan dyan. May belt din. Alam mo, ang bibilin ko sa, alam, ang susundin ko sa na red. Ayaw ni, mas gusto ni Jan ito. Mini. Long kasi yun eh. Yung red, maganda rin sana. Kaso mas gusto ni Jan ito. Ano lang, para siyang mini. Pabubs ka nga ka. Sikat na talaga. Patutoy. Walang masyadong choices dito, guys.
Minute nga. Kaya nga.
Marami silang choices sa pizza. Ako naman mag-salmon. Ang hapon ng table, oh. Sigawan ko. Andun yung drinks nila. Kami lemon bitters, as always. And then si Tony, kuhaan kami ng Cosmo. Mag-cocktails daw kami ni Lai. Birthday. What you got, Papa? Pink soda? Cream and soda. Say ko pink soda? No, cream soda. I'm so sorry. Dito na yung aming Cosmo. Thank you. Kaya. Thanks, Tony and Lyra. Thank you.
Okay?
Thank you.
Picture lang kita.
Picture. Han, can I borrow your phone?
Mag-ano kami?
Of course.
Tama ka si Tony.
Sarap. Yan lang yung ating handa. Mamaya magla-lobster kami, magpapansit. Kumain kasi kami kanina. Ayan, oh. Ang daming pizza, guys. Ayan. Kay Holly, hindi naubos. Oh, hindi na kain. Kasi kumain ng rice din. Ayan. Kaya. Breakfast kasi kami.
Sarap naman.
Hawaiian.
Tingnan mo na tumanay.
Parang herbs na. Napuntang adobo.
Lasang-lasa ano?
Herbs na. Ang strong.
Ano yung nilalagay sa ano? Adobo?
Baby. Kaya kasama ko kayo, kailangan adobo. Ibunta ng adobo.
Lagos na handa ka rin. Hindi niya gusto may ano.
Sino si Zach?
CR.
Nag-share ka? Wala ko pansin.
More? Masarap naman ito. Morning kayo sa mga pizza?
Balik na tayo, guys, sa Big 4. Wow, this way?
Yeah, we'll just walk around, have a look
Okay.
around.
Try daw ni dyan dito dumaan. Look around. What did you have on pizza?
Yeah.
And wedges?
Your turn.
Huh?
Dito na pala kami, guys. And yung mga bata nakabihis na ng pang-swimming. Mag-jet ski sila. Si Jan nagbibihis din. Kasi si-set up niya yung jet ski. Si-set up. Tatanggalin niya na ba dun sa trailer? And ayan na siya, oh. Nakabihis na siya. Si Zach. Nakabihis na si Johnny Boy. Ayun na siya, oh. Nakabihis na siya. Kasi kaso niya na yung jet ski. No, you can go swimming. Because Thea is going. Andun na sila, dun tayo po. Ayan si Logan. Pinapump niya yung parang donut. Buti nandito sila. May kasama si Jan mag-set up. Si Jan andun sa likod. Andun na yung mga boys. Naka-ano na sila, naka-life jacket na sila. Do you float? Do you float? Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Do you have a straw?
Malalim ba?
Ano na yung mga boys? Naka-ano na sila? Naka-life jacket na sila. Do you float? Do you float? Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Do you have a straw?
Malalim ba?
Jet ski, ayan na. Ayan na yung jet ski. Siya muna mag-ride. Ayan na. Si Jan pa na nila sa jet ski, guys. Si Logan ang nag-drive ng car ni Jan. Akala ko si Logan. Ayan na siya. Oh my God. Good luck. Excited ang kids. Sa hindi ko dala yung GoPro, guys. Kasi nga, nakala ko na gabi yan na kasi sinabi sa akin yung jet ski niya. Ako sa donut gusto ko din. Pareho ko gusto.
Anong meron?
Ako mag-drive ikaw sa donut. Tapos itanggalin, tapos ikakat ko yung tali. Bye, ka.
Ay, grabe, sabi. Sabi, iniwan ako sa gitna na. O nga, picture mo. Yung picture mo. Yung sabi ko. Mamaya daw kanina siya sa mga pag ano lang hapon na wala ng tao.
So, yung madilim na. Good luck, Zach! Zach! Oh my God! Hi, what? Turn around, Zach! Good luck, mga! Wala ka, Zach. Ayun na sila, oh.
Si ano ko si Kuya ang lookout.
Oo.
Pag wala nang Zach.
Talaga. Ayan na si Zach. Next. Malamig ang tubig. No, sabi nila warm daw na. Cool.
Naantok na tong bata. Okay, let's go have a nap. Okay, let's have a nap.
Ayan si Kat. Ayan, oh. Malaki pa raw sa mukha niya yung mangga. Umuso na kami si mainit na sa labas. Ang pinatulog din sila. Tulog na yan sila. Mag-roast pork. Siya magbabalat. Ako, rest lang ako. Rest lang ako because it's my birthday. Sila daw bala sa kusina. Uy, grabe. Baka maputol niyang pillar. Sa sobrang laki ng mga. Kaya? Kaya naman daw. Mangga, guys. Namasin ako. Marap. Matamis-tamis na maasim-asim. Labas tayo, guys. Kasi si Jam. What you gonna do, Ham? Are you in Logan? Oh, okay. Who?
What place are you on?
Cause every time we try to break it down and build again, every time we try to make up
You want to go on the jet ski, not in the business, on the jet ski.
You like it? Did you have a go? Oh.
I've done all this.
Ah. Alright.
Right now.
Which one? Go that one and stand up.
All of a sudden you'll be standing there with someone new. Cause it's been going so
Is it cold?
Dream alive, the other letting go.
Is it okay your kids in my vlog?
Every time we try to make a stand and start again. Yeah, every time we try to make up and make amends. You know, when push comes to shove,
This big
we can
icon.
reach
Ooh.
the sky on a prayer. We go
Yeah.
higher than high. Yeah,
Yeah.
wide awake, it's a big mistake, 'cause it's something we can't deny. But we're
Good luck.
like this. Why can't you see what you did with me? Please don't leave me hanging like this. I try to recall and make sense of it all. I never thought it'd come down to this.
What?
Let's try to make a new start.
Which one? Oh, what's your foot, TJ? What's your foot? Good luck, babe.
You know, we never let it go.
Knee board.
This time we can reach the sky on a prayer. We go higher than high. Yeah, wide awake, it's a big mistake, 'cause it's something we can deny. Oh, this time we can reach the sky on a prayer. We go higher than high. Yeah,
Is the water cold?
awake, it's a big
To what?
mistake, 'cause it's something we can deny.
The full water is better.
With a love like this,
Are you going to the pool later? It's hot now. What's that? Did you fall? Did you fall? The kneeboard. Have you tried the kneeboard? Never, haven't. Is that us, the kneeboard, or Daddy borrowed from someone? Your friend? Dad's friend? Ayan na sila dyan. Hindi ko na ma-zoom. Hanggang dyan lang.
one thing I know for sure, what we have is something worth fighting for. Bad news knocking at my door, but I like it like that. We go all in and I'm falling, but I like it like that. And it's so wrong, but still so strong, but I like it like that. I'm catching fire, 'cause you take me higher. You know you're everything that I ever
Wow! That's cool.
don't take it
So
long,
cute.
and I like it like that. Even I'm broken, watch us right 2 times a day. I took a chance and I was like,
Ayan si Kuya. Si Kuya yung taga-hila ng rope.
anything better for me to say.
What's your pan, Han?
Hey, I like you like that, yeah.
How's the water? Cold?
We're up here on cloud 9, and somehow we get it right every time. 'Cause these days we're partners in crime, and I like it like that. We go all in, and I'm falling.
Masaya yung mga bata kasi meron silang mga friends.
And it's so
Ayan, maganda din ng ganyan. Oh.
strong, but I like it like that. I'm catching fire, 'cause you take me higher. You know you're everything that I ever desired.
Honey, was it hard with the kneeboard?
Don't take it
Gusto, yung mga bata naman yung mag-kneeboard. Di natin nakunan si Holly nasa donut. Oh. Ang cute ni Holly. Si Veronica ayaw, takot. Bob!
Mama fell off.
Did you? How was it? Hurt?
Here.
Oh? How was it?
now?
Baba! Di natin nakita si Holly.
Did you fall off, Ollie?
snow. How was it? That was fun.
Wait, Dad, can I quickly do
Hindi natin na-film siya. Was it fun, Baba? You wanna go again? Binigyan ko si Jan tsaka si Logan ng Coke. Nauhaw na yung driver. How's your head? How's your head? Hurt? Hurt? How about you, Ya? You're good?
Yeah, I hit my head, right? I fell off.
Come on, Baba.
I get to wear my yellow dress.
Okay.
Come behind my leg.
Okay.
Why? What?
Change now, come on.
Taj. And Taj.
Taj, thank you, Taj. Say hi to Titars and Ayla.
Hi, Tita.
We can't see you.
Where are you going? I'm getting you number.
Yan dapat ang susutin niya nung Christmas.
Hindi dumating ang time.
You go swimming?
Yes.
Did you do the donut lang?
Yes, by herself. I think she's inside, Baba. Nagpa-piatos lang. Baba, can I have some piatos, please? Nag-dress na talaga siya. O, yan talagang gusto niyang isuot. Come on, can I have some? No, bring the piatos here, Baba. Thank you. Sarap nito. Sarap nito isaw-saw sa Coke.
Sana?
Coke.
May Coke dito. Dami Coke.
Kaya yung mga bata. Nandito yung mga bata, guys. Dito sa water park. Ang nagbabantay ay yung asawa ng kaibigan ni Jan. Sabi ko kasi sunod na lang ako. Dito na tayo. Hinihintay nila yung bucket. Ayan si Kuya. Parang sarili nila yung park kasi lahat yan kaibigan nila Kuya. Yung iba classmate ni Sak. Tapos kaibigan ni Kuya. Nila Sak, nilang dalawa. Ayan si Sak. Si Holly nasa slide. Hindi tayo makapunta doon kasi mababasa tayo, guys. Ayan si Kuya sa slide. Ayan si Holly. Smart. Yes? Why?
We left our phones and towels.
Okay. Later. Okay? Change venue tayo, guys. Dito naman tayo sa my pool. Ayan si Holly, oh. Dito yung mga boys. Hi, Zaki. Hi, Kuya. Nandun na si Holly, oh. Brad! Huh? Yeah, I know, I told you. Well done, Baba. Where are you going? Oh, wow. Kuya. Si Sak. Where's Zachary? Andun si Sak, oh. Sa may chest. Ayun. Ayan na. Good job, Mama. Nilalamig na siya. Ano na kasi? Anong oras na? 6:46. Si Sak. Si Kuya nandun na sa ano. Punta na sa river si Kuya. Kasi nandun pa ata si Jan. Then, si Sak nandun sa kanyang mga kaibigan kasama yung mommy. Mga kaibigan niya. Kaya ka mambaba, ito kasi ano na, tapos na raw siya. Paliguan ko na to. Napaliguan ko na siya, guys. Fresh na siya. We are back, people. Pinaliguan ko na. Pinaliguan ko na. Yes. Ha, babay, hindi ka pa rin tulog. Pero nakapagpalit ka na ng bib. Ah, pang ilan na yan, ah? Ah, pang ilan na yan, ah? Para lahat ng labahan mo, bib lang, na? Ay, tatawa na siya. You're smiling na. You like the camera?
Look at that!
Looks cute, Nilsy. You look like a Super Mario, the mushroom. That thing, thing. Dito na si Johnny Boy. Ayan na yung roast pork ni Ismaila,
Ano
right?
ni
Nina.
Dyan ng coleslaw, di ba?
Oo.
Sa gilid lang.
Oo.
Gusto niya crackling?
Hindi, dahil.
Ayun niya yun, di ba?
Oo. Pagkain?
This, drink
Ano
in the
daw,
fridge?
fork?
Oh, I thought you want Coke.
No, he has Coke there. Okay.
What?
What you gonna say to Tita Lyra? Oy, what you gonna say to Tita Lai? Thank you. Ayan kay Sak. Order ni Sak. Coleslaw and pancit and then burger. Yeah. You're not gonna eat pancit, yeah? Okay. You want gravy? You want gravy? Yeah?
Or you want that one tomorrow?
Okay. What you gonna say to Tita Lai?
Thank you.
Huh? In the fridge. Naubos ni Kuya yung dalawa niyang ano, guys. Ngayon, how many you want, Kuya? Dalawa pa raw. Ano? Which one is this is, I thought, akala ko iba na naman yung camera ginagamit ko. Ayan na yung pang-apat ni Kuya. Ikaw na talaga yan. Welcome. Si Sak. 2. Alis si Jan. May bibilin lang sila ni Sak. And sabi ni Sak, wag daw galawin yung pansit niya. Tingnan yung sikat. Tingnan yung sikat. Ayan. Bit-bit niya talaga. Oh. Eh, kinuha niya na talaga yung lobster. Ayan. Ewan ko na lang di kanyan mabundat kat sa lobster pa lang. Yan, 3 yan, oh. Ilagay natin sa malaking ano, dahil. Hindi na kasya yung roast pork, guys. Na ilagay dito sa pansit. Kasi tingnan yung pansit namin, guys. Wala nang pansit. Puro sahog. So, hiniwa ko na lang ito para sa mga bata. Just in case gusto nilang bumalik. Tapos na silang kumain. Kami na lang ng mga girls ang hindi pa kumakain. Andun na sa labas yung lobster. Ay, ikaw na ito. Akin na ito. Akin na yan. Ah, sige. May pandesal pa kami, guys. Oh. Sikat magkakanin. Oh. Ayan ang aming handa.
Oh, di ba? Tama.
Diba? Nagdo-drone sila doon, oh. Tapos na silang kumain, eh. Thank you. Kain, guys.
Talaga pala siya na. Kain tayo, guys. Makapal. Yan yung ating handa.
Handa is the pancit. Cut!
Okay,
Siyempre, ano mo na, Day?
yun lang yun. Pwede siya lang pala. Kain tayo. Ito. Okay,
Siyempre, ano mo na, Day?
Yun yun. Pwede siya lang ito. Kain tayo. Ito sa sawang
O, yan. Sarap. Sukat ka. Ano na?
Dito ako sa kabila. Diyak ka lang.
Hindi kuha lahat, guys.
Kaya nga eh.
Iwa-hiwalay, oh. Ay, wow! Kat.
Wala nang tanong-tanong kung ano gusto niyong drinks.
Wala na, oh. Kain na tayo,
Kain
guys.
tayo.
Ano, B? Fourth B, please.
Parang bit-bit ko kanina yung ano.
Ano? Anong bitbit mo kanina?
Yung tomato soup.
Oo, gawak mo yun. Sabi mo gusto mo yun.
Oo nga, i-mix ko sana sila nito. Okay lang. Okay na to. Okay na. Okay na ako.
Okay na.
Ayan, kain tayo guys. Run! Go inside, there's mosquito everywhere.
Ikaw, wala ka, be?
Na? Magkakamay ako.
Ay, wow.
100 of mosquitoes.
Wait, the big one? Do you want to go inside and eat? You eat, Monica?
No, perfect.
Come on.
Okay. Sabi nga ito ni talaga na yung ano sa atin.
Baba, come on. Eat pancit, come on. You're not hungry? You want crayfish? Yeah, of course.
I want a leg bird.
Okay.
Yeah, me too.
Leg talaga siya. O, dito ka, Baba, because that's Tita Kati here. She's
Kain
here.
tayo. Yan.
Baba, go to Tita Lyra, Baba.
Come here. Okay, eat pancit. Come here, Bob. Hey, Veronica.
Gusto niya yan.
Sorry, Kat. Kuha lang ako ng isa, Kat.
Monica!
Ikaw na. Wow.
Crayfish leg, please.
Yes.
Close the door, Bobby. Close the door.
Yeah, because the mosquito, Baba.
Close the door. Yep, Baba. Close the door. Close the door. You go inside and eat, Bobby, or do you want to eat here? There's so many mosquito though. Next to me.
Monica, look.
Come on, pancit.
What? Why to eat my butt?
I need to get you fork, Baba.
Sarap. Thank you, Lar. Tapos na kami kumain, guys. And ito yung natira pa sa lobster. Tatlo yan. He already sleep? Huwag na si Kuya. And bumili si Jan ng cake. Wala raw siyang mahanap na cake sa Woolies. Tapos yung Coast. How about the Coast sack?
Wala akong
Close. Close na raw sa Coast. Ito nabili ni Jan. Donut na... What's this? Classic. Sponge. Sponge cake na mini. Ito na lang daw ang meron. Tapos, may donut tayo, guys.
That's rules.
Okay. Thank you. No, thank you.
Is it ready?
I don't know. Are you vlogging?
Is it red?
Oh, thank you.
It's for me too.
It's 22. I'm 22?
No, she said it's from me too.
Ah, it's also from... Kiss Tita Mommy. Sa kanila daw itong dalawa. Thank you.
Monica, where'd you put that?
Oh, this is nice.
I chose that because I know you like golden too.
Oh, good. Oh, thank you. Happy birthday. Wow, my heart. And then, where's your Veronica? This is yours. Up here. And you drew this. I'm walking out. Okay, and Holly, happy birthday. Oh, thank you, girls. Kaya pala sa ilalim sila ng... Wow.
I have to finish this part.
Oh, it's alright. It's alright. Thank you. Yung dalawa, bumili si Jan ng card. Then yung dalawa, nag-draw sila. Yes. Thank you, Baba. Thank you, Holly. Yes. Thank you. Oh. Ang cute naman ng card.
Really cheap. That was only $4.
Oh, bumili pa sila ng coloring
bought that so we could
pencil. Yeah.
Still alive.
Ang daming malalaking langgam na lumilipad, tsaka lamok.
That one's still
Ang dami doon sa labas. Pinatay na namin yung ilaw doon sa labas kasi nagko-crawl na sila sa door. And then may nakapasok na 2 o 3. May spray kami. Grabe. Kasi umulan kanina kaya gano'n na siguro. Ayan na. Ay, wow. Ay, happy birthday. Pasok na sila. Ay, happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Okay, I'm gonna wish first.
Okay, wish.
Make lies.
Yay!
Okay.
Yay! Happy birthday!
Look at the mossy's up there. There's lots of mossy.
Ang lamok.
And there you go.
Oh, thank you, Da.
3 of us.
Thank you. Wow. Can you vlog, mommy, please? Not shaky, ha? Ay!
Sorry guys, hindi ako nakapag-film. Ang daming ay. What she wants?
Ah, thank you. Oh, hindi na ako mahihirapan.
Yes, you need it.
Fine.
Thank you.
Oh, earpods.
Yes, thank you, guys.
Para hindi ka na mahirapan.
Para na table. Sa table. Thank you.
Try
I
them.
need this for my editing. Thank you.
Buksan mo, meron pa yung extra.
Oh, may extra
Yeah,
pa
may
daw. Grabe kayo, may pa extra pa to.
Sana meron na. Sana hindi nawala. Binayaran pa yun, ha? May bomba yan.
That's not actually AirPods.
May paano.
Imagine it not.
See? Can you see the outside of it?
Ay, ito?
Ano ba yan, Ben?
Ay, may paano. Thank you. Hindi talaga mawawala. Ah, Cathy, Lyra, and Ray. Wait,
What?
shirt, Baba.
Where?
This one. May extra engrave my name. Dito.
Saan?
Thank you. Thank you, Ray, Kat.
Sorry.
Yeah, silang tatlo po sila.
Free.
Thank you.
That one's gonna die. Dad, that one's gonna die. Because I had
Thank you, girls. Ayun, guys. Hindi ko lang kung nakita niyo. May pangalan ko, tapos may 3 hearts. Ayan. Thank you. Thank you sa inyong 3. Nice. At least pwede na ako mag...
Someone else?
No, not fair. It can go.
Matutulog na sila ni John.
John.
Si Kuya kanina patulog, guys. So, pagkakain niya, hindi ko na siya nakita. Pagdating ni John kasi bumili siya ng cake. Tulog na raw. Tulog na si Kuya. Hindi na nga siya naka-dessert.
Take their first thing, then I'll decide to pick it up after lunch.
Tulog na siya kasi pagod na yun. Hi, guys. Mag-close na ako ng vlog, guys. Anong oras na? 10? Magti-10? Magti-10. 10 pa lang. Pero parang ano kami, antok na ako. Pagod na kami. Parang pagod na, wala namang ginawa. Kasi kuminom na lang ang Cosmo kanina, tapos nakadalawa na akong ano.
Nakadalawa ka?
I think, isa. Sorry, isa lang pala. Ano pa ba ininom ko?
Matapang yung ininom namin.
Matapang yung ininom namin kanina. So, parang inaantok na ako, guys. So, yun na, guys. Thank you sa mga nag-greet sa akin. Maraming salamat.
Birthday!
Happy birthday to me. Good night. Bye. Good night, guys. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on my next
Vlog! Ba't naputi natin sa yung camera?
Puti nga, oh. Ano, what's that?
I wish I could share food. I wish I could share food with you.
Yeah.
Like channel, like that way or that way.
Bye. Sigurado kayo. Good night, guys.
Please tell me who you see, 'cause I think I do.